Let's get started. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching all about sets in Java. The set is an interface available in the Java util package. The set interface extends to the collection interface. This says that a set is an interface in Java util and that it extends the collection interface. An unordered collection or list in which duplicates are allowed is referred to as a collection interface. The set interface is used to create the mathematical set. Set interface use collection interfaces methods to avoid the insertion of the same elements. Sorted set and navigatable set are two interfaces that extend the set implementation. This means that the set interface is used to create a mathematical set, and the set interface uses collection interfaces methods to avoid the insertion of same elements. Sorted set and navigatable set are interfaces that extend the set implementation. Let's dive down to code and let's see this in action. Alright, now let's see a set in action. First of all, let's create a class. We'll create class main, and inside it we'll have our main method, and inside it we say set. This time we need to import the package of the jar.util for our set. So we will import the package like this, and we'll give a name for our list. Set h2 equals, we'll have a set as a string set, and we'll give it the name has a set, and this will be equals to set string equals to linked hash set. Linked hash set is a class that belongs to the interface set. Inside this we'll give string. Okay. Now for the hash set we'll add some values. For adding values we use add. Inside the add we'll give some strings. First let's say Java, and another one we'll add as example, and another will be add tutorial, and another will be Java again. Okay, now let's print out our hash set, linked hash set, the set that we made. So we use a sout, and inside it we'll give hash set. Okay, now let's print this. Let's run this and print it. As you can see, we got our output. We got Java, example and tutorial printed. This means that we got these values in the order in which we added them, and the duplicate value was removed when we made the set. The two Javas became one Java, and the duplicate was removed, and we got this set in the order we added it to our has a set. String has a set. That's how this worked when we implemented this code. In a set add-all, there's a method called add-all which performs the union of the set, and there's a return all method which performs the intersection of the set, and remove all method which is used to perform difference between the set. Let's take an example to understand how these methods are used to perform the intersection, union and difference operations. Now, here is an example for add all, retain all and remove all. First, we have made two integer arrays a and b with 7 values each. And after that, we have made a hash set, an integer set called hash set. Hash set is another class in the set interface, linked to the set interface. And after that, we have added all the A array by using arrays.asList. This makes the array a list. So after that, we have made another set, an integer set, a hash set called set2, and we have added the array b to the set2. And after that, we have made a union data hash set, and we have added it set1 in the constructor of the hash set union data. And after that, the union data has added the set2 hash set. And after that, we have printed the union data. And after that, we have made the intersection of the set1 and set2. We have made another set called intersection data, and we have given set1 inside the constructor of that intersection data set. And after that, we have used the intersection data to add retain all set2. And after that, we have printed the intersection data of set1 and set2. And after that, we have made another integer hash set with the constructor with the set1, and we have removed all from set2 from the difference data set. And after that, we have printed our difference data set. Now, let's see this in action. Let's run this and check the output. Okay, we got union of set1 and set2 is 33, from 33 to 66, 34, 283, 322, 55, 1245 and 77. This shows the union of the sets 1 and 2 in the order they were implemented. They show in the order they were implemented, and they have removed the duplicate values of the set. And the intersection of set 1 and 2 is 33, 55 and 45, and that's very correct because both these sets have 33 and 55 and 45, and both has this intersection between the sets. And the difference of set 1 and set 2 is 66, 34, 22 and 77 relatively. That's how we found the union, intersection and difference of two sets, two hash sets in Java. Now let's see some set methods used inside sets. First of all, let's create a class. We'll create a class called main, and inside it we'll say psvm, and we'll make the main method. And after that, we'll make a set this time. We'll import the set from java.util, and we'll give this the value integer, and we'll call this hash d, and we'll make it equals to new linked hash set this time. And after that, we'll add some values to our integer set. We'll add 11, 45, 33 and 78, and after that we'll print it. we say an S out, and we say data, and we will give a space, and we will say hash D. Now before that we will have another duplicate value to check what happens. We will add 33 again. Okay, now let's print this and check the output. We got 11, 45, 33 and 78 in order according to the linked hash set, and the duplicate value was removed. The 33 duplicate value was removed from the output when it was printed. So the linked hash set gives values in order and removes duplicate elements, and they are given in the order in which they were declared. That's how linked hash set works. Now let's see an example for the add-all method in sets. We have made a set called integer data, and we have linked it to a linked hash set integer, and we have added 31, 21 and 41 to it. And after that SOut prints the first set called data, and after that we have declared an array list. This time I'll teach you about array list in the upcoming videos, and inside it we have given the type integer and called it new data, and we have added new data with the values 91, 71 and 81. And after that we have added all the new data array list values by add all to data, and after that we have printed our set called data. We have used the add all method here. Let's check this by running it. Okay, we got the output 31, 21 and 41, which was before adding the array list values to our set. And after that the set got 91, 71 and 81 added from the array list by the add all method when we used it on the example, like here. So the add all adds values, all the values we provide to it from different collections, and we process the output and give it in the order in which it was added, and it removes duplicates as well. Now let's see another method in sets. First of all, let's create a class main, and inside we'll give the main method, and here we say set and import our java.util.set interface, and we'll give integer type to this as well, and we say set sc equals new linked hash set, and after that sc we'll add some values. We'll add 11, we'll add 24, and we'll add 47, and after that let's print this out. Let's print our sc set, and after that we say sc.clear. Now let's print the set again as sc. Let's see the output for this example. First we got 11, 24 and 47 printed, and after clear all the values were removed from our set. That's what happened here. Alright, now from this example we will have another method used inside our set. We say sc dot this time contains, and we will give a value to it called 45, and we will have again a contains, and we will give the value 24. Now let's print this and check the output. Then you will understand clearly. The contents checks if a value is there inside the set. Here, because 45 was there, we got true. And because there wasn't any 24, we got false after we printed the last S out. Now, let's see an example for contains all method. First, we have declared the integer data set with linked hash set and added 31, 41, 21, 51, 11 and 81. And we have printed the data after that. And we have made a new integer new data set and added 31, 21 and 41. And after that we have printed data dot contains all and passed new data to the method. Let's check this after printing and running. We got 31, 21, 41, 51, 11 and 81 printed first, and we got thus data contains new data as true because the values 31, 21 and 41 are there in the integer data array. We got this output when we check the data.contains all method to our second set. That's what happened here. Now we'll have another method declared. We have our set data which is integer, and we have printed our data, and after we have printed the hash code value of set is data.hashcode. So we have used this hash code method to print out the hash code of the integer set. Now let's run this and see the hash code value. First we got our set values, and after that the hash code value of this set is 236 was printed in the console. That's the hash code value for all the data in the set, the integer linked hash set. Now we'll see some other methods. First let's see the isEmpty method. We'll have an S out saying is the data empty, and after that we say data dot is empty, and after that we say S out and we say data dot remove and provide a value 41, and after that we print our S out and print the data, and after that we say S out data dot remove all and provide the data set to it. Now let's run this and check the output. We got is the data empty as false because this data set is not empty. That's why we got false. So if it was empty without values, then we would have got true. And after that we have removed 41 and it has become true. And after that we have printed the set without 41, and the remove all provided true because it removed all the data from this set. That's what happened when we use these methods inside our code. Now let's check the iterator method in sets. We have declared an integer data set, a linked hash set, and inside it we have given the data as 31, 21, 41, 51, 11 and 81. After that we have specially made here an iterator called new data, and we have made it equal to data.iterator. After that we have printed the new data values are, and we have given a while loop, and we have said new data.hash next, and after that we have said S out and printed new data.next. This is how we get an iterator value which provides our data by element by element. Now let's print this out. Here we got the new data values are 31, 21, 41, 51, 11 and 81 printed according to the order of the iterator. That's how we got the values for this iterator method. Now we'll learn about the retain all method in sets. We have declared a set called data, linked hash set and linked hash set. I have printed and given values and printed the values. And after that we have declared the array list integer and given it some values and printed the array list. And after that we have said data dot retain all and provided the array list values to it. And after that we have printed data after retaining new data elements and printed the data set. Now let's check the output. We got data after retaining new elements as 91, 71 and 81, which are the values retained inside the class inside the data set after adding the array list values. So the array list values are the retained values of this data set. And now let's see another method for our code. Let's say sout and we say data dot size, and let's print this out and check the output. We got 3 as the size because the retained values of the last data set got 3 values. We got the 3 values printed after this. That's what happened here. Now till here I have taught you about sets in Java, about linked hash sets and methods in the set interface, and the methods in the interface linked hash set and hash set classes. So I hope you got a clear knowledge about sets in Java and the methods in the sets in Java. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in another video another time. Until then, goodbye guys, and please take care.